you ain't easy, why?
John Star. We are do this again. Anyway, listen to this track by George Prophet entitled So Incredible. This one is for the ladies. The ladies them when know say them beautiful. The ladies them when know say them confident. The ladies when know say them can depend on themselves. Them not need a dirty boy if you buy them not. Ladies, you are so incredible by George Prophet. Bring on.
You are so incredible, so compatible, and it's gonna be hard to find a lover like you.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes!
Chaddy Marie TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Marie. Bototom, Bush, Yaksta said that.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Say for the first time you check out the Chaddy Marie TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. I don't want to say we come back with a sad topic, but yes, we kinda come back with a kinda sad topic. That's why I'm kinda do the intro that we there for kinda bring some laughter to the thing, kinda bring some joy. But then again, when them topic here when me I bring to no joy or no laughter night. So we have a popular dancehall artist met in an accident, and right now him supposed to still at hospital and recover. And we have Khanice Jackson, accused killer, girlfriend, a speak out. I don't want to say she had defended me now, but the news they kind of put her in her light to make it seem as if she had defended him, but she never really did defend him, according to she. So she come clear up all of that and talk what she actually mean.
You are so incredible, so compatible, and it's gonna be hard to find a lover like you.
So before we talk about those topics, I want to talk about this reggae recording artist that goes by the name George Prophet. Him have an album out right now when he am Perfect. And the song I'm going to play in the intro, it lead out the album. So incredible. Quite frankly, one of my favorite, but me now said that's the best track on it. That's why I want you guys to go and check out the full album, George Prophet Perfect. It's on all major streaming platform. Don't make because Chaddy Marie TV say yo Perfect are the best song on the album. You feel like are the best song for true. No, go on go check out the album. Go check out the album. For the people them where like them old school type song there, this album is perfect for you. Just like the title, Perfect. You know what I mean?
You were so incredible, so compatible, and it's gonna be hard to find another like you.
Yeah, man. Bless up, peeps. You know, them try for me musically, and it never work. Now them try for me physically, it still not work. Jaja run hurt. You see it? Jaja run hurt.
Hey!
Nah, surrender, you know. Yeah, man, nah, surrender. You see it? I got the real people, the real fans.
Watch it. Just straight.
You so know about it, yeah?
Two and them tied now,
Bless
we
up
can't
yourself,
get the
see?
foot. You drop down our
Ganguli
hole.
up and
Can't
down,
get
see?
it out.
Yeah.
I'm going to so why
Ganguly took it to Instagram to post that video with the caption, "Just keep that." And when me said that, me mean that. Give thanks for life. Life threatening, but me a hold it. Me always take care of my parents them. So mama always have me in her prayer. Big up my real fans them. The real people them who have support me over the years. Hashtag elephant feet. Here say them a rejoice, but still hashtag not feel like me. At the end of the day, dancehall artist Ganguly in a hospital, him coulda in a the morgue. You see me? So him have to give thanks like what you see me do right now. After posting that video, he went ahead and posted another video of the actual accident scene. And people, this video probably be too graphic for YouTube, so I'll probably blur out a little part of it. But he posted that video with a lengthy caption. This could have been me, but just say no youth and a year time. Me nah trod without the Almighty. My quick thinking make me still there. Never panicking at the situation. R.I.P. to the soldier. Him dead upon the spot. Sorry how him go like that, you know. Condolence to him family and friends. His car flipped about 4 times before it hit mines. Sounding like a bomb. Everybody make mistake. But when a driver go round a steering wheel, always remember to protect your life and others. Reckless driving only costs life and sorrow. Drivers, you need to stop race on the public road, dog. A years now, me avoid these type of crash. Every day, me have to swing from them driver your star. Cause some of them always a speed, yo. Just know this life is a risk. When you're out there, look out on you. Yeah. Give thanks for life, health and strength. Enough love and respect to each and everyone will reach out. Really appreciate it. Respect to my fans them. Big up on yourself. Hashtag Gangool is still there. Jah always a guide. Nah surrender. Mama prayer work, you know. Hashtag life over death. Hashtag elephant feet. Hashtag South Central President. Hashtag Nafi like me. Hashtag Shaka Zulu. So people, after this lengthy post, Gangooli did a radio interview where I explain everything. He may even talk out when him crash, the people him just a video him and not assist him. Jano Star, I can't believe so reach a Jamaica like this. Anyway, people, check out this interview. And after this, we go to the Khanice Jackson murderer girlfriend story.
Me I forward from studio and thing. Take my time cause me is a youth, me not drive fast. Anybody know me. Me always drive cautious. So me reach out a gutters this now. I take them a drive. Me see one car come out a female lane, end up in a mile lane and overtake about 4 vehicles. Then me see in King Cat, then me see something black a forward to my vehicle with a bird speed like about 200 miles per hour. So all me could have do quick thinking, just swing little from it. Me go find myself over a bush. But all along, me conscious. So me take up my phone, search my phone, call emergency, call everybody and my family members and my everybody. And you know, me in a vehicle and people run out and me I say, yo, not take me out of a vehicle, you know. Me good enough. It's just my foot can't move. All me see people I do, I video me. So I throw my towel over my head and I see man I found in my vehicle, I search on my vehicle, I look for things. And I have to run them out of my vehicle. And I say, this Jamaica forward to start, this Jamaica come to. No help. I fireman, I have to forward and go help me. Respect to the fire team. You know where them forward from me for Spanish Town or whatever. And big up to who reach out to me and you don't know. Respect to each and everyone. Big up my mother, because mother prayer never late.
Jano Star, Jano, we can't believe say that Jamaica gone to. Normally, when tragic thing happen like that, Jamaican people just pull together and help out a situation. But now, it's all about the grammar. It's all about going viral. It's all about like, shares and comments. Nobody no business with nobody again. People wanna just try stay safe on the gravel. Alright? So now we are going to move on to the Khanice Jackson murderer girlfriend story. Jano Star, that long, but me just want to know who me I talk about. Alright? So, CVM did an interview with her. That's the girlfriend of the accused murderer. And some people don't say she kind of defend him or I don't know. I don't know if a CVM twist up the interview or what. Well, that she claim go on. But she says some things where people really are pray. Alright? I go me could get a summary of what she said.
He is a very kind person. Enough time if a customer tells him to learn to say no. Is always a yes man, yes. So for that me can say him kind. When it comes to certain things, him very sensitive and him not like to feel embarrassed. Him active in his kid's life.
When questioned whether he's known to be abusive to women, the woman denied all such rumors.
And son is him taking time pay who have bring vehicle come him fix it. That's all him do. He not even really talk to people. Not even the shop them that the era him go. Cause every night when he come home, him bring me one shop in the scheme. I have to buy my nightly snack or juice, whichever for going with. And whoever say my woman beat, why them wait until Khanice there before them come out with all of this? This now it makes no sense. They're threatening the family. Mother, daughter, auntie, never, whichever the case may, cause none of us, even me, none of us told him what to do. If they could have said in whatever it was, they would have probably told him, said, don't do it. They would have stopped it, just as myself, if I could have, I would have stopped it. None of us didn't know what was going to do. None of us was there, so they can't say they're going to make the family.
So people, that's exactly what she said during the interview with CVM TV. No, me no subtract nothing and me no add nothing. When you hear everything that CVM TV put out. Now, you tell me in the comment section what you think about that, what she said, and then listen to what she have to say after, because she did a live on her Instagram. So people, pre this video.
We have people out there with non-good intention or whichever. I am a woman, and the same way I do that to that little girl, or the same way I could have do to me too. Same when every day I talk to him is a dirty man and I'm not going to take it back. When I talk about him to get life in a prison, rare. Anybody know me and wish to speak and hear me talk about this, I hang him for blood clot, hang him by him balls. Hang him by him balls. I not support no farmer rapist or no sniper killer. Because once you cross the line with them type of things, they are done. You understand? When me meet him wasn't a person like that. Me meet him have my man, me in my relationship. Everybody I talk about him baby mother. I'm living. Me not live with this man, people. I don't live with this man. This man is not my personal man, or whichever it is. It's not that way. Or it go, but instead of people asking, everybody just want jump to say, alright, this, wagwan, or share this, whatever the case may be. You get me? I talk about pretty. Me not ugly. I'm a very pretty person too. He's a very nice person, but at the end of the day, we not talk about color, and we not talk about looks, because what, someone lost their life. But instead of we really sitting looking down and sit and think about it, no, we rather to jump and bash and, you know, this one woman, you know, because what she did there with the man, I never tell him to do whatever it is that he do. If I could have stopped it that day, I would have done that. But what, I couldn't do that. You understand? So how is it me to say me wicked and then never say me a cover up for him because I'm the first and old man for run joke like that? Listen to me, my name is a type of person. I'm very dramatic. Sometimes we say some things to me and more while I laugh at it. So it's a man where that come from, but I don't know intention no weird. Like the simple speaking, I say probably them go kill themselves and then can't manage them type of stuff. So I go things here, Mrs. Take it as a dramatic it or whichever. Whenever really I think about if I say this person really would have committed such an act or whichever. When him say to me, I take myself and I go to the yard, run at the yard, go look the yard gate up and everything. I did it probably about 5 minutes and turn to sister and say come move because I see vehicle and I know some left vehicle go work this morning whatsoever. You understand? So I never really, but when I realize this, I get out of hand and serious. I never just sit down with it because I could feel with myself, knowing something like this happen. And even when me kind of have a little bit of intuition about it or kind of summarize something, I know probably like this will take place, you know, and then never slung and don't do it. Anybody who wish to speak or try to reach out to the family or the boyfriend that tell it just as the same. I've been talked to them already. I've been show my remorse. I've been said what I had to say. And them tell me thanks a million times. You understand? I not protect this dirty man and I will never forget prison and to get in by blood clot balls. And I say to me not take it back because I not support no rapist and no killer. But you see through all the video come out and just the same if I was the one who was on over here on this side looking in and the video that I put up last time, I probably think the same thing too, but I always say don't judge a book by cover, not because here I probably say something. I remember this, and this is the media, and the media twist your words and put it how they want it because what they want them highlight whatsoever. Nowhere in the conversation speaking yesterday, well, I was on the phone talking to them on the live, did I ever try to protect this man or say anything? And through the most talking of it, I just had this him, so must have this him some. You understand? So me never try to protect this money or pick up for this money, because there's nothing in that nobody could have possibly pick up unless you are the same too. Unless you use the same type of person for you to be picking up with somebody who do such an act. Them ask the type of person he was towards me, answer the type of person he was towards me. It has nothing to do with the fact that because of Ray and because of this. So me I beg people, please stop put it the way how they want to put it, because that's not how it is. You get a message? That's not how it is. I'm wrong. I'm going to ever be wrong, because the girl lose her life 20 years. She not even live no life. She don't know it. And I'm look point every the same thing would I do to me too. Same thing you would have do to me too if it come to that part. It would do the same thing, but what? God say and God know what was going to be the outcome of all this. So God makes sure say put up on a side where and say it's a safe side, but yet still have a knowledge of what took place and can help towards whichever the case may be. You understand? If me that protect this man, would I aid him, would I support him the day they run away or go country or go do whichever it is, you understand? But no, I'm not do nothing like that. I'm just some comfort and try to get the authority to get point as how them should. Anybody talk about the boyfriend make him get locked up with the rubbish not talk about the boyfriend surmise that they were together. The boyfriend never have no proof. They must just say him because he must bring her to work and probably bring her home. They want to surmise. They never have nothing concrete about it or sure nothing. And that is something the boyfriend can attest to and speak it for himself. Is after speaking to him a little bit, after probably about 10 minutes speaking to him by a quint, yes, the suspect name went out online and all these type of things they are saying rated whatsoever. It's a big old blood clot across the man for me. When me know this man, me have my good man, me still have my man. It's just a big man, he knows him love me for certain. Say if him see me and them look vibes, the 5 years and it's not a 5 years with me and him in a relationship and living, because we not living. And to all the type of person is, me no want nobody stay any type of way I come on top of me, especially a older man a certain way. There's nothing wrong with him at the end of the day. I'm not gonna tell you say like say Mascani man, Ray and Tay, and you get me? No. And just because you want a piece of picture with people but them put out, but him look that way, the people are gonna say him look like a rapist and he look like this, whatever, whatever. There are all lot of pictures there, but people look for the worst to put up. But as me say, me not debate or go down in pan that. At the end of the day, what I'm talking about is me not protect this man, me not defend this man. This man for go prison 99 times. I say it already, I go say it again. Anybody who know me know say me is an independent blood clip girl. I'm independent hustle. Me not have time I depend on me. Me not dependent. Anybody who knows me can say that me not dependent. So not a boy or night to stop this. Oh please, I get work for what I want. Crazy? Crazy, me not sit down and depend on mama, because we all know how that go. You know it nice when you act like you look a paycheck a week time or whichever when you look a year and you come here a year one, because what are you work it? Nothing nice like that. You understand? When me meet him, I have my man, he know what the situation was, and he have somebody else too. Me end up and talk about 2 years. When it reached 2 years, I got 3 years down at the relationship because I end up and had a miscarriage. And I never deal. Long after I come out of hospital and everything, but probably a year or a year after, me end up and get back in contact with him, because so me and my mom never really approve that, but when me get in contact away out. Man him talking, me call me, you good Johnny, whatever, whichever the case, me cool, whatever, link me. Alright, if my past come my side, no, say me come your side, we talk, whatsoever. That's it. It's since last year. I'm not sure if they were stronger last year, but in a June them time there, me and this man start conversate back on a level. But it still wasn't a proper level for say me and him, because we could never, because me have my man. You get me? For the 5 years, I don't make a name much time ago. I'm going probably about 8. Not about 8, a lie I would have tell. Probably about 12, 14 times. Yeah. And most of the time I go there, I there with him, I chat a little bit and I left. And I'm not sexual, nothing, and nothing like that. You get me? But the true people is not there. People can just say whatever they want to say because well, that's how people is. Instead of trying to find out the truth, them speculate, them assume, them bash somebody, them put them down whatsoever. I never terrorific nobody, just as in family. So then the need for threatening Dave and then the need for threatening Pete because none of us had nothing to do what him do. If we had a say in it that day, if we could have stopped it, I know for a fact it would have stopped on Khanice that day here same man. It should have been here same we want no remorse. We want to see me drop and ground and I cry and I owe me and say, boy, this and that, whatever. Come on now, people. How much more can a person do? I can't do no more. I can't say no more. I can't whatever no more. You understand? At the end of the day, I am human just like anybody else. And me take it the way just like how people that see it on earth and come. Not even road more because when I got people see me. Remember, remark somebody say to me, say, hey, Robert. And I was like, my Robert. Never push out nobody. Never push out nobody big fuss for him to be my Robert. You understand? Those are the type of things we have to go by daily, but because of people and how people is. Me not enough form of support with this man or whatever. I say it already, I say it again. Them for hang him and them for hang him by him fucking balls. Here. Hang him by because if you them find out upon this, I say pussy was here for a pussy you did want. You never get my own. So, you have to get. And that's why you probably do whatever it is that I do to the girl. So you see, people only know things, people only speculate or assume just because them see a little white line. Alright, they must spread the line bigger. Like white out and just a white out I go cross so just a rewrite and a carry on. And take your own words and put it somewhere else. Or put it else out. You get me I try to say? Everybody have a sensitive side sometimes where people don't like nobody load up on them and that's what I meant when I said sensitive. So I don't like people load up on him and them type of way. So it surprised me if you know say a man like that who always complain about me rough with him because he's a very rough person. You know, I never try that with pan or cow like me because I'm rough. The truth can he soft and probably nice and look innocent towards him, should not act a certain type of way. Maybe. But at the end of the day, not because you may see something out there and everybody around it and I jump with you up onto and brag on this person and say big up to everybody who out there and who in the comment section where I talk and I say when them attack say nonsense because the girl has nothing to do with it and she not defend him XYZ rated. You get me, I'm upset and I'm ignorant with CVM because at the end of the day, the video was out there. You cut off the video a certain way. When people see it now, people can feel as if they align with her, I support with and I uphold whatever it is that you might do. The video was not placed out there, right? I've been asked from last night, I text and asked them for the full video so I could put it for people to see. You get me? I don't want nobody to bash me because of this dirty man and him actions they know him take. If it's up to me, him not dead. If it's up to me, him probably string up. You hear me? I tell people that about jungle justice as same way some see because it was a family member of mine. It wouldn't go like that. But who are we? Who are we to judge? We're not God. We can be judge, jury, or executioner. That's not us. You get me? That's not our role. That's not what we come here for. But you have a whole lot of people like to take up that role in them hand and put it upon themselves to pass judgment around against people. Just because body bullshit, bleach, this and that, where let me tell you, people knows nothing. Nothing people knows, nothing. You get me? Nothing. To be honest, what I felt as if transferred the argument in the morning. Because seeing that the days them prior to that, me never know nothing good because I kind of think I done me do in feet the ways they make can deal because that man him jealous and love watch. You know, me man him always to make some little talk or some little problem or not really problem, some little talk. Pretending some things and it never really mesh with me, you get me? Never really sit well with me whatsoever. So me done the plan leave him the 23rd or the 23rd of my birthday and the 24th. All of this happened. You understand it? 24th. When me see everybody right up Friday, wow, that was quick when he get catch whatsoever. It was quick. It was really quick. You see, and I wonder if I'm the right person. I wonder if this and that about boyfriend. Check again. No, boyfriend did nothing. Boyfriend put out there, boyfriend them call him themselves for this and if him have her for bring him back in only some miles. But them had no concrete evidence where they were not sure about anything. You understand? Some of the like people to stop, bash and assume and feel as if say me I support this man in whatever it is that no because me not support him, I could never support it. And if I did my brother do it, him have to get trouble too. You have to get you about. You understand? Me a woman. She lose her life because of our carelessness. Because of this dirty man could keep him honest to himself. She lose her life. And if I could go back in time and rewind and go back to the day when all that happened, I would. If I could have done something, I would have done it, but I can't. Some just have to live the way you can live now. With always this in the back of my head. So I'm sorry, I never push more effort when my God he had to go into the house and make things there. That is the only regrets I have towards it. You understand? Some want people to stop feel as if I'm upward with this man or me with this man with whatever it is that I'm saying. If I got prison, 99 times. If you hang him and hang him by him balls, it could have been me. That's all I have to say. I support the man, I just want people to stop saying I support him.